everybody, welcome back to my channel. My name is Valerie Dyson and I'm going to be comparing the Skindinavia, the makeup finishing spray, and the Milani makeup Make It Last setting spray. And if you're interested in seeing which one works better and seeing my thoughts and opinions on it, just keep on watching. Okay, so I'm going to start off with the Skindinavia, the makeup finishing spray. So I've had this in my collection for quite a while now, a few months probably, or a couple months probably, at least a month. And less is more with this product, and it's about right down to here. And it comes with 8 US fluid ounces, which I got the big bottle, and that retails for $40 or $39. And the Milani Make It Last spray is only 2.3 fluid ounces, which I kind of calculated it up, not exactly, but if this held the same amount as this one would be $15. This one is only $10. So I am going to spray this one on my right side of my face, this side, and then I'm going to use the Milani on the other side, and then I'm going to take you around. Well, I'll just do a checkup at the end of the day. So I'm going to shake it up and just spray the right side of my face with the Skindinavia, the makeup finishing spray. And then I'm going to use the Milani Make It Last on my left side of my face. I just opened it. I'm going to shake it up and spritz it on my face. I just got done spritzing the Skindinavia on my right side and the Milani on my left. I'm actually going to put an S on my right hand so I don't forget, and then an M on my left hand. Yeah, it's that bad, y'all. Okay, so I'm going to get a close-up on each side of my makeup. So you can see the before. I'm going to take pictures and tell you my final thoughts at the end of my day. Right now it is 10:21, so I don't know when I'll be checking in next. But yeah, I'll try to do it before 5 just because that way it will still have somewhat of natural lighting. I don't know if that's a good wear test though. I'll let you know later. But yeah, okay, I'll see you in a little bit. Welcome back. So it is 5 o'clock now and the sun is going down already. So I figured I'll do like a last check-in just in case I don't do it after I get home. Sorry about that. My little girl wanted to know what I was doing out here, so I told her that I was trying to talk to y'all. But anyways, so this is what my makeup looks like, and so this side is the Milani side, and this side is the Skindinavia side. So let's take a look. This side is the Milani. And this side is the Skindinavia. So to be honest, I can't really see a difference. Let's see. Under the eyes, this one seemed like it smeared. The Milani side seemed like it smeared more. But the shadow looks better over here on the Skindinavia side. And I believe like around my nose. No, I don't know. I really don't see much difference. So I'm just going to stick with Milani, I guess, for now on, because the Skindinavia one is like, let's say, if you want to break it down 2 ounces a piece, the Skindinavia would be like $15 per 2 ounce, and then the, or fluid ounce, and then the Milani is like $10, so you're saving $5 or $2.50 every ounce by getting the Milani. So I'm just gonna stick with Milani. But yeah, I hope y'all enjoy this video. I might do another check-in, but if I don't, you'll just see my outro and that will be it. But I hope you enjoyed this. So yeah, I'm gonna stick with Milani after I get done with my Skindinavia setting spray, and that will be that. I hope y'all enjoyed this, guys. I'll talk to you in a second. Alright, so now I'm doing my little outro. I don't know how it wore yet, but yeah, so I did the Skindinavia, the Makeup Finishing Spray versus the Milani Make It Last Spray. And yeah, I can't wait to see my results that I just got done telling you. If you did, please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and I will see you buddies next time. Bye!